Hi guys, today I am showing you my current PC setup. This is my computer. I had built it with help of my friend Martin in 2008. So I'm just going to show you what was the configuration in 2008, that's 12 years ago. That was the top of the art. So I had an aluminum case from Silverstone, that is TMJ07. It's completely of aluminium, and I can show you a little bit what the components which I have built in there. So I just will take off the side panel. So you see, this is a big Java, and when we built this, the Martin had put on a water cooling here. So this is now the CPU cooler. The original from Intel. I have changed it after 10 years, and previously this was completely with water cooling installed. So this is the Asus P5B board. So just imagine, this board is 12 years old, but still its functioning is really good. And these are the LED based RAMs from Ballistic Razor DDR2 at that time. That was the top of the art which I used it. And this is a graphic card, and this is from Sapphire GTX 8800. That was also top of the art. So I just attached 1 terabyte SSD last month, and then I can show you underneath. So you can see here one PSU. Actually there is a provision for having 2 PSUs here, so it's a huge space in this you can say high tower. And I have used 2 AC Ryan green colored fans here, and on the top I also have 2 140mm fans, and these are the cathode rays. So then showing you my current monitor. So it's just a Dell 20-inch, and that was the top of the line from Dell in 2008. So, and I have a Merc keyboard, and from Logitech MX518. So just imagine, okay, forgot to tell you, the CPU is Intel Conroe Core 2 Duo 6500. So this is dual core CPU in 2008. I had a choice to use either Intel or AMD X64. So I chose Intel because Martin has built around 300 different systems till now, and we always prefer using Asus board and then Intel CPUs and only NVIDIA graphic cards. We use different types of PSU units, but CPU, graphic card and motherboards are always fixed, and we also prefer to use graphic card from Asus. So this is our main combination. It may be that you have Gigabyte and you have also Taichi version from ASRock. These are also very good motherboards, but we still prefer Asus because we have never problems till now with Asus motherboards. And now I have decided to upgrade this system. Because of lockdown, I work really a lot of time, let's say around 10 hours a day, and I need a little more power. So I will be upgrading this. I will be showing you my component list, and I will send it to Austria to Martin, and he will then set up and build a system for me, and then I will again show you up when this whole new system, all this new base has been installed and is delivered to me. So it may take around 2, 3, 4 weeks because I have almost all the components, but I'm still waiting for the case because I will be using the new Lian Li O11 Dynamic in black color. It has one side window and it's also a front window, and I will be using Corsair cooler fans, the new one QL120 RGB. And okay, that's for now, and I will keep you updated on my setup. Thanks. So guys, so as promised, I am showing you the components which I will be using for upgrading my new computer system. I have chosen Intel. As I told you, we prefer always Intel CPUs. This is the new i9-10850K. So this is the second version of the top line. The first one is 10900K. So this is unlocked version, has the new LGA 1200 socket, and this will be our CPU workhorse. And I will be using 970 plus NVMe M2 hard drive with 1 terabyte from Samsung. Then I will be using Extreme from SanDisk portable SSD that will be used for backups as a time machine. Then I will be using 16 GB kit, that is two RAMs of 8 GB each from Corsair Dominator. So it has, here you can see, this is the Elite Capellix version of the LEDs. Here it has a speed of 3600 megahertz, and as I said, it's a 16 GB. Then I will be using Asus ROG Strix Z490F motherboard, and Martin is using the E version. The main difference is that it has Wi-Fi in it and little more power in the power supply VRM modules. Then for water cooling the CPU, I will be using the new Corsair H150E Elite Capellix. So on this you can say this part, which is also having the integrated pump in it, it has 32 new Elite LEDs on it, and it is being cooled by 3 120mm RGB fans. For power supply, I will be going for Corsair. This is the RM850i with 850 watt of power supply, and this I means it is an interface. I can show you. This is this one. This is a USB-A connector, and you plug it to any free port on your motherboard, and then you can have different you can say values being read automatically from there, like the fan speed, the internal PSU, temperature, etc. So this is my, you can say, basic component list, and I have ordered, as I said earlier, Lian Li O11 Dynamic black version of mid-tower case. So it's currently out of stock, and as soon as it is delivered to Martin, he will getting all these components from here, and he will be then you can say building the system, setting up the system, and also installing all the needed softwares. And after that, I think in 3 or 4 weeks, I will be ready to show you the final products. So that's it from my side now. Okay, thank you. So guys, Martin has built my system. I showed you the components, so he just delivered this finished PC. And the most important and the exciting part is, you know, peeling off this plastic foil. Look at the noise, it's so exciting. Wow. Look at the finishing of Lian Li. So you can really see the quality of the products from Lian Li. So this is the front glass window, and I'm peeling off. Hear the sound. Wow. This is the sound you enjoy. Okay, so now I will be starting this system. So here you go. Press, and you see I have 3 QL120 fans here, I have 3 downs. So this is sucking in the air, and I have here all-in-one CPU cooler, water cooler. So it has also 3 fans. So you can see I have a total of 9 fans. So it just took 5 seconds to start up. So you see this CPU is quite fast in starting. Okay, so I can show you, you can see Corsair Dominator RAM, and this whole system I bought it is based on the Corsair product. And the good part of it is you can use this with iCue software from Corsair, and I will show you. So you can see all these components, and then you can go in the settings and you can configure the coloring. So let me show you the dashboard. So here you have the motherboard from Asus, then the temperature curves of i9 CPU from Intel, and this is 150E Elite Capelix all-in-one water cooler for the CPU, and it has you see it has 6 fans and 1 water pump. So I've put right now at the silent mode, so you see it's running around at 600 RPM minutes and it's barely hearable. So currently the Dominator RGB is having a temperature of 35 degrees centigrade. I have one SSD from SanDisk, 1 terabyte as a backup, and then I have also one HDD from Seagate with a total capacity of 8 GB. And currently I'm using NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti version, and I'm just waiting for the newly launched, you can see graphic cards like NVIDIA 3080 to get a little bit cheaper. Currently they are permanently out of stock, and if you want to buy from eBay you have to pay a lot of money. So I just will go on with 1080 version of the GTX card. It's quite fast, so I can play Division quite comfortably. So this is my, you can say, setup base. So I have the old Logitech mouse, and for SteelSeries Merc gaming keyboard, and this is my old monitor from LG. It's 26 inch, it's full HD. So I have started this, but I have already bought one new monitor that's from Dell. I will show you. I will just here you go. This is the new one. I will unpack this. So this is from Alienware. It's, let me show you. So this is Alienware, and it is 34 inch. The model number is AW3420DW. It's a model from 2020, but it's good enough for this year too. So I will be unboxing this tomorrow, and I will also once again take this as the new monitor, and I will then show you a complete setup. So that's it from now. Thank you.